Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're in the Campo in Andalusia in the province of Granada to show you this really interesting 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom property, about 180 square meters built and set in a plot of around 6,000 square meters with much of it planted to olive. The property is only around 15 minutes to the nearest large town of LOJA, where you'll find all amenities, including a train station and mains bus station. We're also around 10 minutes from the slightly smaller town of Detached. This property has mains electricity and water from a well, and there are 2 large storage tanks for the water. There's plenty of parking and a private driveway. You wouldn't be isolated here because there are some neighbours, but as you can hear, it's extremely quiet. So here we have the first patio, which is at the front of the property and is the location of the outdoor kitchen barbecue area. There's a bit of land down the bottom here, which I think could make quite a nice allotment, and this part is fenced. There's a good sized storeroom just there and another little storeroom over in the corner. So let's go into the house and take a look at the house first before we go and take a look at the pool. So on entry, it's straight into a good sized sitting room, dining room. Now the 3 bedrooms are very large in this property, and you could repurpose at least one of them if you didn't need 3 bedrooms. So let's look at this first one on the right hand side. You go up a few steps, but it's a really good sized room. Definitely big enough for a king size bed. And just behind this door is some storage. I'm going to take you upstairs first. This is the bit that from the outside it looks a little bit like a tower. As you can see, nice quality staircase, good height ceiling, and then another really nice sized bedroom. Again, big enough for a king size bed. There is central heating here, and the central heating is via a gas system. So we're back downstairs. There's a very nice wood burning stove, and we're assured that that functions very well. Through the archway is the kitchen, but because I'm going to be going outside from that area afterwards, we'll show you that next. So this hallway takes you to the family bathroom, as you can see, with bath. It's fully tiled. And this room on the end is the largest of the bedrooms, and I think is the room that's most likely for someone to repurpose it, because it would make a really good size sitting room. But obviously that depends on what your needs are. That's a glimpse of the pool area. So let's go into the kitchen. So up a tiny step and through the archway, we have a fully fitted kitchen, and it's a very good size, nice long one. The worktops were replaced last year, and it's a very nice quality granite with a bit of a sparkle in it. This is for hot water. The house is being sold partly furnished. Everything that you see in the kitchen will stay. So as you can see, there's lots of prep room, there's lots of cupboards, lots of storage. And it's a really nice size kitchen. So let's go out here. Another very large patio. And then just around the corner is the pool. Now we do have some photos of the pool in use, so we'll obviously add those to the listing. Everything at the moment is in winter mode, which is why the swimming pool is completely covered and has very little water in it. Just over in the corner, that's where all the machinery is for the pool, and it's a standard chlorine pool with sand filter. Now over here, most of the olive trees are in this part of the property, and we're told that the border is the river at the bottom, and it goes as far as the little house that you can see in the distance there. So as I said earlier, you're not going to be alone here. You do have some neighbours, which is a nice thing, and you'll get a sense of tranquility and peace. Obviously, there's always a few dogs barking just when you say something like that. That's kind of normal, always happens. But you're going to be in a beautiful area with some lovely surroundings, good walks, easy access, accessible all year round without a 4x4. So it's a perfect place if you wanted to have country living without feeling too isolated. So we hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you can, please do like and share. Leave your comments in the section below. And we very much look forward to showing you around your potential new home in Andalusia in the province of Granada. Thank you for watching.